Hello friends, let's draw a cute little frog. Draw the body like this. Next, let's add the legs for the frog. Let's add webbed feet for the frog. The webbed feet helps frog swim while it's in water. Let's add the eyes now. Use circles to make two eyes for the frog. Next, let's give it nostrils or nose to breathe. Our cute little frog is almost ready. Let's give it a smile and let's color our frog. Friends, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to make one by yourself and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.